Hi, I'm Olivia from GIA Renovations. Welcome to Project Malvern. From the entrance itself, we walk through and we hit the family area. So this family area consists of family room, dining room, and with the kitchen, and it's this gorgeous L shape, and it really wanted to create a flow and an openness when you are connecting with your family in each of these different spaces. So everyone can be in each individual space, but it really forms a connection, which I think is really great, as well as creating that separation. The kitchen was actually originally located on the southern part of the house, and we've shifted it to the northern section of the house just because the considered flow through the home on the ground floor specifically was really paramount to the overall design and the aesthetic leading us through from the entrance. We really wanted to show different materials and what we could do in this space. On the island bench, you can see this micro cement finish and this texture. It has this sheen across it and it gives this rich depth. With the stone we've used, it's a really high polish, so it reflects the outside in. It's really gorgeous and creates this depth to the kitchen. We also have integrated appliances everywhere. So we have an invisible cooktop and a range hood sitting directly above it, and that's just really creating usability and versatility in this kitchen itself. We also have integrated fridges, which is basically a requirement in all of my kitchen designs. We have integrated wine fridge as well as an integrated normal everyday fridge. We also have a secondary little mini fridge downstairs. We are currently in the master bedroom upstairs. Behind me is the walk-in wardrobe and the ensuite. Originally upstairs, we had 4 bedrooms, and what we've created now is 3 much more generously sized bedrooms, as well as a main bathroom and a separate multi-purpose area. So we've set that up as a study at the moment, but it could be a spare bedroom, even just a landing to the staircase. Downstairs, we have another bedroom as well as the master suite, and what I imagine that to be is more like the primary suite for anyone who doesn't really want to come up the stairs. So we are standing in the master suite upstairs. This wasn't originally a bathroom, but it was half the size. Behind me, you see the gorgeous curved wall that is forming the bath in front of it. This wall is actually formed by the curved staircase, and this was all manipulated to create that cohesive flow that I was talking about in the kitchen. As you journey through the master bedroom into the walk-in wardrobe, you are hit by the most gorgeous natural light beaming on you, looking directly at this amazing vanity unit. So the colours are just complementing each other in the most gorgeous way. Lots of bull nose edge details here, which are surrounding the vanity unit itself. And that is considered through all of the other areas for the tiles. So we have the data rail capping the top of the tiles and soft round features that are complementing and creating this gorgeous space, turning it into what it is now. This design aesthetic has been considered throughout each bathroom in this space, except the powder room, which is a little bit more special. And this means that basically the natural stone, the colour, the tapware, the design details are all consistent throughout the house. So this pool area was really important to connect the basement that is right behind me. I think that connection between basement and this entertainment area is really a massive benefit for this family home. I think it's really important to have separation for kids or the adults, whoever it is, and 2 separate living areas. The tiles are on the double door side and they are flush with the floorboards. So I really didn't want floorboards to be the connection between the pool and the bathrooms, just for that durability. So I have added tiles there and created a pathway leading you to the shower, sauna and powder room, just for really that entertainment living. What a journey Project Malvern has been. Thank you so much to all of our partners that were a part of the journey with us. Qasair Rangehoods, Fisher & Paykel, About Space, Marz Designs, Cosentino, Gaggenau, Liebherr, Reece, Hardware Concepts, CDK Stone, ForestOne, Perini, Lighterior, Passio Interiors, Australian Select Timber, Renaissance Decor, Audsley Windows, Lynch's Window Fashions, ZETR, G&G Stoneworks, and Antique Cabinet Makers. Your products and services have really elevated the home and made it into what it is now. Be sure to follow along for lots more renovation journeys. It's a real passion of ours and we absolutely love what we do.